Be creative, go compact. But listen when I see you cry, I can't stand what I feel inside. Oh, I just wanna fix you. Guessing what they call a beep boop, pleaser. So the entire music video for my new single People Pleaser and very special a cappella part of the track were recorded using the new Xperia. Here it is, the Xperia 5 Mark IV.
Guess who's looking oh so fine? Bet you get that all the time. Let's have some fun, no I don't mind. Yeah, I'm just here for a good time. Can't get you off my mind. This happens all the time. Can't get you off my mind. You're just so I hate confrontation. It makes me uncomfortable.
What truth do you want to know? This is about finding out the truth, being behind the camera, behind the scenes.
Hi, my name is Nathan Tetty. I'm the director of the music video People Pleaser, and it's just been shot on the Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV. The song's called People Pleaser, and I tried to find as many different scenarios in like quite real life settings that kind of showcase Kat, not necessarily begrudgingly being a people pleaser, but being a general people pleaser to a lot of the people around her in situations that they probably should be a bit of a people pleaser to her. I haven't shot a video of this girl on a phone before, I don't think. I think the principle was definitely still the same, just kind of write what you want to see and then just work with the technology to try and, sort of make, what we put down on paper come to life.
It is the first time I've ever shot a music video on a phone, so thus far it looks really, really cool, and I'm very excited to see how it comes out.
I think there's definitely an element of being able to find yourself in different pockets of the space to shoot or get a different kind of perspective or an angle, which was quite cool. And also just little things as well, like I think people behave with a bit more of a natural way about them, not having like a big studio camera like pointing at them with a big lens. The eye tracking autofocus, I thought was phenomenal. In most of the scenes that we were shooting where there was a lot of movement, the autofocus, it was just always on point. And even the manual focus, going into the manual focus was quite sharp and responsive. Even like the slow-mo 120 frames at 4K, really good, really cool, do you know what I mean?
Oh, it looks good! Hey, this little camera phone, you done alright, you know? Hey!
Changing the frame rates and like the shutter angles and the white balance yourself in like small increments was quite cool as well. Can't do that on most other phones.
The obvious thing is it allows you to use your imagination. That's the point of condensing good technology into something so small, which I find quite fascinating. Inverted commas, the average person can use this. It can definitely expedite their dreams of like filmmaking that bit quicker.
So I usually use my phone to record a lot of acapellas that I put out on social media. So being able to record great audio and just to be able to put it out straight away without having to use a laptop and anything that takes more time is really needed for me. So the fact that the Sony Xperia has that is really good. So when you say something's wrong, I just want to make it better. Oh, but I've realized that you just wanted me to listen. We used the Music Pro on set. Even though it was super busy and super loud, it doesn't sound like that at all. I recorded an a cappella version of just the chorus of my song, and it was really good. The quality was really good, and now it's in the music video. Guess what they call it, pleaser.
Yes! Yes!
Next, we want to show you exactly how our new Xperia can take your creativity to another level. Here we go! Life is made of moments, and you never get a second chance to go back. Xperia is all about speed, and Xperia 5 Mark IV is equipped with technology from Sony's Alpha series to make sure you never miss that special moment. This is built into the DNA of the Xperia 5 Mark IV. IAF functions support keeping focus on the eye of the subject for impressive portraits both for video and photo. It automatically tracks the subject without ever losing them. Cinematize your everyday life with 4K 120 FPS recording. 20 FPS AF/AE tracking delivers high-speed continuous shooting. What makes Xperia 5 Mark IV even better is all 3 lenses are equipped with these features. The front camera has a new large sensor for capturing video selfies that never look so good. Capturing your life on video couldn't be simpler, and taking exceptional quality photos. The results couldn't be better. Want to listen to your favorite songs with the best sound quality? The Xperia 5 Mark IV has you covered there too. It will enhance the quality of everything you listen to, close to high-resolution audio quality using our unique technology, DSEE Ultimate. For a truly immersive audio experience, the Xperia 5 Mark IV will blow you away with 360 reality audio that recreates the illusion of sound flowing from every direction around you. Full stage stereo speakers put you at center stage to enjoy high-quality sound, delivering a unique, superior listening experience only from Sony. Enjoy a high-quality acoustic and exceptional viewing experience in a hand-fit design. The Xperia 5 Mark IV is packed with all the winning features for all gamers who want to play like a pro. It has been co-developed with professional esports players, and through Game Enhancer, settings such as display and audio can be customized to maximize your chances of winning. Super smooth gameplay results from the native 120Hz display, and with the support of 240Hz touch scanning rate, fast, precise moves with the action happening exactly as you intended will help you on the road to victory. What's more, there are functions to help support, record, and share in-play moments and memorable wins in exceptional quality. You can share in real time the epic moments with your friends and followers with live streaming, so they never miss a thing. The Xperia series is the official smartphone partner of PUBG Mobile Esports Global Tournaments 2022. Functions loved by professional esports players are now accessible to everyone. Get the edge on the competition with everything you need to get the win, and record and share your winning moments. The Xperia 5 Mark IV combines powerful, reliable performance with a range of practical features to enhance everyday life. All of these features are packed into a compact form to make it your creative partner on the go. At the same time, we believe that creativity coexists with sustainability. We are working to minimize the impact on the environment from our manufacturing processes, so that the beautiful scenery throughout our planet you want to photograph and capture will still be there. The Xperia 5 Mark IV features no plastic in packaging, with plastic components either eliminated or replaced with paper materials. The device will be available in 3 colors, and shipping will start from this month and varies by region. Embodied by the Sony spirit, let Xperia 5 Mark IV stimulate your imagination in creating unique, memorable results as your creativity partner. We continuously strive to develop our Xperia products to create mobile experiences beyond imagination for the dedicated and passionate. Be creative. Go compact.
I'm on my way. Share this moment, seeing your smile. Share this
breathtaking portrait movies. Xperia 5 Mark IV.